Hello guys, so today I will showcase to you this resume.pro. So this is a free resume builder that is designed for you to create your own resume using your own API key or AI API key. So you can see here we have here the forms where you can fill out, and here's the viewer of the resume. So let's talk about Power Your Agent. So as you can see here, you can choose different kinds of AI provider here, like OpenRouter, Anthropic, Google AI, or OpenAI. It's up to you. So let's say, for example, you want to use your Google AI API key. So how can you get your API key? So you can just simply go to Google AI Studio. So from here, you can just get API key. Oh, it's not working. You can also create an API. If you have an existing project, you can do one. So let's say, for example, this one. So if I choose my existing project in cloud, I'll be able to create my own API key. So I just need to copy this, then paste here. Then you can just power it up. Alright, it's now working. So you don't have to worry about your API keys because this one is a serverless web app, meaning we don't have a database for us to save your information. All your information or data persistence will remain on your Google Chrome or in your computer. So for the model name, you can just simply copy this for Gemini. Also, you can also choose another API provider. Let's say OpenRouter. All you have to do is click this tooltip for you to go to the OpenRouter keys link, and from here, what I can suggest is to go with the free API keys that they have, or just go to the models, then look for free, or you can just scroll this to free for you to get the free models. So in this case, let's just try this one. Yeah, so you can just copy this one and then paste it here in the model. Then for you to get the API keys, all you have to do is create API. But since I have already my API, yeah, I can just copy this and paste it there. So going back, I will just use my Google API key to power up this one. So now I have my own AI agent that will help me creating my resume. So AI Toolkit also has the ATS and job matching, wherein you can just paste the job description. Let's say you're applying in LinkedIn and you find jobs that you want to apply to. Let's say this one. All you have to do is paste this job description. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. As you can see here, it has a job description. You can just copy these job description. It's too slow. Yeah, just copy all of this information for your AI to get better context of what you are applying for. Yeah, it's automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about saving it or clicking anything. Also, we have a cover letter generator. But what I can suggest to you is to Upload your resume first. And by the way, this button will only appear once your AI power your agent is already powered up or activated. So let's just put some sample resume here. So it is now parsing the details of your resume so it can be taken over. Yes, you can see here. Sometimes it is having issues parsing, but all you have to do is to keep trying. Yeah, as you can see, it's working now. It was able to parse all the details. However, um, the parsing power of your resume depends on the model that you're gonna use. The more powerful your agent is, the more detailed the context will be taken up and will be parsed. As you can see here, the some of the descriptions are taken by this alone, but that is okay. If you're using a more powerful AI agent, I think it can accurately parse your resume details. So for now, I'll just stick with this because I think I can manage to edit this one. So now let's just go to AI cover letter generator. Since we already put the job description here, all we have to do is click generate cover letter for our AI to generate the cover letter itself based on our resume. And as you can see, it already provided me a cover letter. It's up to you whether you want to edit this or not, but I think it is pretty great since um, our goal is to, pass the ATS. So it is now calculating, as you can see. Yeah, it will also give you feedback. So all you have to do is follow this one. Yeah. So I think this one is currently a work in progress since I need to apply this as well on my cover letter. But for resume, I think it is already working. Let's just try. Yeah, so all you have to do is add these missing skills to resume if you want to get a higher score for ATS. So aside from the AI toolkit, the resume builder also has this one, the resume builder itself for the design, personal information, and everything that is related to your career and educational backgrounds. So even though if you don't have your API key, you can still use this to create your own resume. However, you won't be able to use the improve with AI buttons here. So let me just show you what will happen if you don't power it up. So as you can see here, you can still do resume building here. However, it is already grayed out. So meaning all the features that comes with the AI will be disabled until until you power it on. Yeah, so everything here you can just do it by yourself. I think, yeah, for the skills it's already included here. And this resume builder already has templates for you to choose from. As you can see, there's this human icon. If you choose a template with the human icon, you will need to upload a photo here. But if you choose something that doesn't have a human icon, let's say classic, then you don't need to upload your photo. As you can see here, it is already applying here. So let's just choose another. Yeah, like creative. And you can also choose the font. Currently, I only have few fonts here, but we'll plan to add soon. but I'm kind of busy right now, so yeah, I think you can just work with this one in the meantime. And why not? It's a free tool, so you can do anything you want it here for your resume improvement. You can definitely use this one. As you can see here, you can just drag and drop to change the body text color as well as the accent color here. Yeah, I think the accent color applies to some, let's say this one. So you can see the accent color is changing depending on the color that you are dragging to or choosing. For the heading color, maybe I'll just choose green. Oh, yeah, I think this one. Yeah, so you can also upload your photos here if you want to or not. It depends upon your preference. Yeah, and then for you can also try to edit this one and minimize it to three bullets, yeah, something like that. Or you can just edit it at all, so you don't have to make yourself have a hard time. Yeah, for the education. So I think that's all about this resume.pro builder. You can also check out their policies or the mission and vision, which I actually created because I'm the creator of this resume.pro. Yeah, you can also see the blogs here if you want any tips on how to pass the ATS or land a job. Then for our privacy policy, as you can notice here, your data is yours. So all the data you enter in this app, including your name, work history, everything is stored exclusively in your web browser's local storage. This means your data lives only on your computer. So this has something to do with the data persistence because some of the website has database like SQL database or Firebase Studio or Firestore. So wherein the creator has access to your details. But for this one, it doesn't have a server. So all the API calls are happening in the client side or the front end. So we are not taking any details or information from you. That means this is fully autonomous and open source. So you don't have to worry that your data is being used or being sold. We're not doing that here. Yeah, I guess that's it for me. If you have any questions, you can comment down below.